Morning, peeps. The concept for that children's TV program, what's it called?
Sesame Street?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one, Sesame Street. So the next step now is coming up with names for all the different characters. Bill.
That's right. But what we don't want to do is make the same errors we previously made. Chris, naming a superhero Captain Cockhead for a children's comic book wasn't your best work.
But he was a cockhead.
I know he was a cockhead. We all know he was a cockhead, but still, it was inappropriate.
And Chantelle, proposing J'adore le dinosaur would have been perfect if Dorothy was a prostitute working in a brothel.
But she was a whore.
The imaginary friend. Are we all happy to call him Mr. Sniffer, Snuff, what's his name?
Snuffleupagus.
Yeah. What he said. Are we all happy with that? All of your fancy degrees and not even one of you have anything to contribute?
Now, our final character to name today is the big yellow bird. All right, what have you got for me, people?
So he's a bird and he's big. I've got nothing.
So he's a bird. It's big. It's yellow. Fluffy. I got nothing.
How about you? You've been very quiet today. What have you got?
Zachary the bird.
Zachary the bird, really? I preferred you when you were quiet.
We all did.
What about Big Bird?
Wait. What did you say?
What about Big Bird?
I love it! That's genius!
Bird!
Big bird!
Wait.
Yeah.
Sorry. Who are you?
I'm the office cleaner.
Not for long, you're not.
Would you like anything clean?
Yeah. Start with Chris's desk.